Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be guiding you on how to create an account on Trello. So let us get started. First, open your browser and type trello.com in the address bar. Next, enter your email address in the provided field and tap on Sign Up. Trello offers more options to sign up using other websites such as Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Slack. For this demonstration, we will continue with signing up using a Google account, as it is convenient for many users. Click on Continue with Google, and it will prompt you to log in with your Google account credentials. After logging in, click on Create Your Account. You now have successfully created an account on Trello. You can start using Trello's powerful project management features to organize tasks, collaborate with team members, and stay productive. I think that's it. I hope this tutorial helps you get started on Trello. Thank you for watching and happy organizing. See you in the next video.